Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. Today guys, I share with you how to make egg roll. Yes, one of the Nigerian snack, very delicious guys. So without taking much of your time, let's begin. Now in a clean pot, go in with water. Yeah, we are starting off with our egg. Remember, we are making egg roll. Yes, so we'll be making use of 8 eggs. Okay, moving on to the next one. In a clean bowl, go in with your flour, your all-purpose flour. Yes, and sift. Okay, we just added 2 cups. The remaining 1 cup will come later. Just keep watching. All right, we are adding the remaining 1 cup, making 3. Yes, in total we are using 3 cups of plain flour. Next is a teaspoon of baking powder. Sift it also. All right guys, now go in with a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can as well use vanilla essence or cinnamon, whichever one you prefer. Okay, it's just for the flavor. Next is sugar. We are making use of 1/4 cup of sugar. Once you've added that, next is your powdered milk. If you're using liquid milk, there will be no need for powdered milk, all right? And we made use of 2 tablespoons of it. Now we went in with some margarine. You can use butter as well, okay? 2 tablespoons, all right? Go on and mix. Mix until it resembles breadcrumbs, okay? If you are using butter, you need salt, a teaspoon of salt. Now go in with your egg, 1 large egg. Continue to mix. Like I was saying, if you are using margarine just like me, you do not need salt because it contains salt already. If you are using butter, please include just a teaspoon of salt, all right? If you noticed, we've added some water. Yes, I measured out 1 cup of water, but I didn't make use of it all. So that's to tell you that in total we made use of 1/2 cup and more, but not up to 1 cup. Okay, add it bit by bit until you get the consistency you are looking for, just like this. My flour is a bit stretchy, so if yours is not this stretchy, don't worry, flour differs. Okay, so guys, let's allow it to sit for 10 minutes just to rest. All right, now going back to our eggs, and at this point they are well cooked, so take it off the heat. All right, add in some cold water to enable it cool down faster. Okay, at this point it has cooled down, so get rid of the shell just like this, guys. If this is your first time meeting my video, welcome to Oma Sport. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible. Please do well to be part of this beautiful family. You can only do that by subscribing. Hit that subscription button for me. Turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. Thank you. So guys, we are almost done. This is the last one. All done. Moving on to the next one. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface. Now transfer your dough. We floured our surface just to make it easier for us. If you notice, our dough is a bit sticky, yeah, so feel free to adjust it with some flour. Yeah, so guys, let's divide it. We're dividing into 8. You don't need to knead, okay? All right, or you can knead a bit, not for long. Okay, so guys, fold it, try to form a ball shape. Okay, yeah, you do the same with all of it. Try to grease your hand, yeah, your palm. Yeah, if your dough is stitchy just like mine, and bring it together just this way. fold it. Yeah, pinch it out and then roll like you want to form a ball shape. I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers, both the newest and the returning. Guys, I am very grateful. Your subscriptions and comments motivates me to do more. So please keep it up, okay? Alright guys, we are still on it. Done. Now moving on to the next step. Our eggs are ready, so we'll have them here. Now get one of the doughs and press it down just this way. Get one of the eggs, place it in the middle. Yeah, just keep watching. Now bring the dough just like this. Bring it together using your fingers, just like this, guys. Just like this. You can cut out the excess. Yes. Have you seen it? Now roll it using your both hands. Please remember to grease your palms, okay? Moving on to the next one. Flatten it on your palm using your hand and then place your egg on it and start bringing it together, trying to bring the dough together just like this. You're trying to cover up the egg, okay? You can cut out the excess dough. Yeah, we're trying to give it a round shape. Make sure the dough covers the egg properly, okay? All right, so you keep doing it until you are through with the doughs. All right, yeah, bring the dough together just to cover up the egg. Afterwards you roll it, okay, in your palm. All right guys, moving on to the next one. In a clean pan, go in with your vegetable oil. It requires enough oil because we're going to deep fry them. Before you start frying, please make sure your oil is hot. Yes, heat it up first before introducing your dough. You can test it by dropping a little dough in the oil. Yes, drop it into the oil and test if it is hot enough, okay? So guys, we have started frying. Yeah. Once your oil is heated, go on and reduce your heat, okay? Fry on low medium heat. Yes, you don't want to introduce your dough and all of a sudden it turns golden brown and you think it's done. No. You will open it and you'll find out that the inside is not cooked, like it's not well fried. So please fry it on low medium heat. As you can see, we are done frying the first batch. Here is the second batch. Guys, we are done. Well fried. Please give this recipe a go. You will enjoy it. It reminds me of my days way back in school, university days. Yeah, usually I use it for my afternoon meal. Yeah, egg roll and Coke. Guys, it was my favorite. You will love it. It's one of the Nigerian snacks. You will love it. Give it a go. It is easy and simple. Please share to your loved ones, families, and friends for them to try it out also. Thank you, guys. Oh my, it's looking so good, guys. Try it out and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, follow and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you guys in my next video. Bye.